Okay, so we want to do number 57 and 9.4, and basically I think we're all thinking, dude, what? Right? That's really okay. This thing is freaky, right? So this is like one of those super multi-fractions, right? This one's even worse than the example we did. This one has like triple fractioniness, right? So maybe let's just isolate some pieces, okay? And really that's all there is to these, right? Just one step at a time and do the stuff you know how to do. So what's your first step, maybe?
Figure out some two main fractions.
Yeah, maybe we figure out the two main subfractions, like these guys, right? There's like a top and a bottom, right? Okay, so maybe let's work with the top. Why would I work with the top first?
Just do it in order.
Yeah, I don't know. Just pick something and start with it. Okay, so top equals, right? 1 over A minus 1 over B over AB. Okay? So now what do you do? Still panicky, right? Okay, so this is still a fraction, right? And it's still got fractions in it. So what do you do?
Do the top part of it?
Yeah, do the top part of it. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to call that top of top, right? And let's work with that for a little bit. Okay, so the top of the top is 1 over A minus 1 over B. Okay, so am I finally at a thing I know how to deal with? Yeah, I think I can deal with this. What do I do? Yeah, I gotta find a common bottom. What's the common bottom between A's and B's? AB's. Okay, so what does this guy need?
A B.
Okay, so this needs a B over B, right? How about this guy? That needs an A over A. And so I'm going to get out of this that the top of the top is
1B minus 1A.
perfect. B minus A over AB. That's cool? Okay. And then I'm trying to, to get the top, right, the thing I started with, I can put that into the top, right?
Wait, say that again?
You guys see that? This is the top of the fraction. The top of the top is this.
Oh.
That means I can take this thing and jam it in for the top of the top. So I'm going to take this guy here, and I'm going to shove it in there. So then I'm back to working with the top, and the top is this thing, B minus A over AB divided by AB.
Oh, yeah.
Just call that. So what does divided by AB mean?
Switch it.
Times 1 over AB.
Yeah, I want to flip that over, right? But it's not really a fraction, right? So I should
Put a 1 underneath it.
throw a 1 underneath it, and then you can flip it over. So this is B minus A over AB times
1 over AB.
1 over AB. That's cool. Okay, so what do I get?
C minus A.
B minus A over A squared B squared, or AB all squared, or something like that. Or AB is also fine. Cool? Neat. I'm done with the top, right? Now that I'm done with the top, what do I move on to?
Bottom.
Yeah, the bottom. Okay. So the bottoms right here, that's this stuff. So the bottoms, 1 minus, oops, let's do that in blue. So the bottom is 1 minus A over B over 1 plus A over B. Now what do I do? Oh, that's a good idea. You guys see that? Maybe that didn't occur to you.
What?
multiply top and bottom by b. You see that? That's really clever.
One.
Because it'll blast the b's out of there, and then I'll be left with one easy fraction.
Right.
So if I take this thing and I multiply by 1, right? B over b. Yeah, then it'll get rid of the denominators of these guys, right? The bottom, so those guys will blast out. And the price I'm going to pay for that is my 1s are going to be b's. You guys see that?
Yep.
That's me kind of throwing parentheses around each of these and distributing this b through. And this b through. So I'm going to get b minus a over b plus a. If you guys didn't see this, what would you have tried?
So you just cut your common denominator.
Yeah. Check out the top of the bottom, get a common bottom, stick them together. Check out the bottom of the bottom, get a common bottom, stick them together. Then do the top of the bottom divided by the bottom of the bottom, and you'd get to here. You guys cool with that? Okay, so once you're here, what do?
Rewrite the original equation.
Yeah, you got the top, you got the bottom, take those two things, jam them in here. So your original problem, right, you take that over here and you rewrite it. So when you rewrite it, it's the top, b minus a over a squared b squared,
Divided by
divided by
b minus
b minus a over b plus a. Right? It's the top divided by the bottom. That's what a fraction really is, right?
a. Yeah.
With me? Kind of. Okay. So you got that we calculated the top by itself, and we calculated the bottom by itself, and then we stuffed those in over here. So we had the top divided by the bottom. That was our original problem. So I wrote here.
I didn't see they put the squares on where.
Oh,
Now I see
perfect.
it. It's
Okay. So we got the top, we divided by the bottom. Good? Okay, then what? Yeah, then we flip the divided by bit over. So we get b minus a over a squared b squared multiplied by b plus a divided by b minus a. Then what? Then look at the onesie right there.
Right. That's it.
Drop that thing, and you're left with b plus a over a squared b squared. Bam. Cool? What's up?
Did you just put AB squared?
Yeah. Sure. So if you, another alternative way to write this would be b plus a over ab all squared. Perfect. Thanks. Sam. Anything else?
Down.
He's asking, can you?
Oh, can I cancel b's or a's here? Why not?
Because
They're
the addition
stuck
sign.
together.
Yeah, the addition sign sticking them together, and I can't factor one out. You guys cool with that? Okay, awesome. So what was the key to this?
I don't even
Re
Simplify it?
Yeah, just drill down until you're at something you can do that piece, and then put it back in the beginning. You guys cool?
Yeah.